All right, y'all, it is time to get rid of that eyesore and to start putting in beds, better beds than these bins going down this direction. And I've got just the bed. So check out this company right here. They sent me this fabric raised bed that I've been wanting, and I'm ready to put this thing to use. So let's get the box open, put this thing together. Let me show you just how easy it is to set up your own fabric raised bed. Here we go. Y'all, so here's the box. It's not very big, but it's a fabric raised bed, so it doesn't need to be big, right? Let's get this thing opened up. All right. Comes with the instructions, obviously the fabric, and all the pieces. So I didn't get a super huge raised bed. I wanted a small one in this section just so I can keep a quality product going this direction. And I don't have any fabric raised beds, so I'm excited for this one. Now this one is just a little over 3 feet long by just a little over 1.5 feet wide. So again, it's not a big raised bed, but I don't need a big raised bed. And if you are starting out, if you're a beginner gardener and you want to start small with a small footprint in your area, your backyard, maybe your porch, if you live in an apartment, this would be perfect because it's fabric, it's collapsible, it's not going to take up a lot of room. This is a great opportunity to get started with a raised bed. Let's get this thing put together. I don't think it's going to take very long. Y'all, check that out. 4 minutes. 4 minutes total, and we are good to go. Okay, so now that it's put together, I mean, seriously, this took 4 minutes. And some of that time was me not putting the pipes through the fabric holes to keep everything together. From what I can tell so far, very well made product. The stitching looks really good. The PVC pipes are obviously PVC pipes. They're good to go, strong. They should withstand a lot. And the fabric looks really good. So far, I don't have any issues. Now, we're gonna get this one out of here and get this one in. This is what's gonna take the time, shoveling. So another reason I want to get rid of this is because of this. Plastic is so flimsy because I've had these a long time. So to get rid of the plastic and to go fabric, that's the main reason I want to get rid of these, just to get rid of the plastic. It's just not doing good. And I think going fabric is better all the way around. I went and put some lumber down there for a brace to go underneath here. That looks good to me. Now just let me fill it up with some soil and we're good to go. All right, y'all, and there you go. From opening the box to just now, 8 minutes. I don't think you can go wrong with this. Again, I checked the fabric. The stitching on the fabric is really good. The PVC is cut exactly the way it should be. It's holding all that dirt, all that soil, as you see, as you just saw me put in there. I don't see any issues so far. Now the only thing I need to do is obviously plant, which are going to be peppers in this bed. And then I'm going to run, all I need to run is irrigation into it. And tell me, seriously, tell me that doesn't look better. Imagine 2 more of those right through here. Forget all this over here. Right through here. It's gonna look really good, right? A lot better than the 3-year-old, 4-year-old, 3-year-old plastic bins. Yeah. All right, everyone, so that's the video. Hope you all enjoyed it. Hope you got something out of it, and I hope, if nothing else, you have seen what this company's products are. and how good a quality they are. I mean, seriously, look at the stitching. It is very, very good. And with the fabric raised bed, I think that's incredibly important because you're putting all that weight in the fabric, and you want the stitching obviously to hold really well, because also when it rains and it gets wet, it's going to get heavier. So you want a good quality product that is going to withstand the weather for wherever you are. And for me here in the North Houston area, well, I'm not in Houston, in the Spring, Texas area, just north of Houston, that should do absolutely fine. Shouldn't have any issues. So as always, everyone, take care. May God continue to bless each and every one of you. Shine bright, harvest hard. Get yourself some raised beds that are fabric. Get away from the plastic, if that's your thing. And I'll talk to y'all again real soon.